Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Friends, today in this video, I want to teach you how you can remove your expired or old domain to your website. If you are using a cPanel and you want to remove your old domain or your old website, so how you can do that? Here I have one of our website and it is expired, so I want to remove it to my cPanel. So let's go back to our cPanel, and here is our cPanel. And for removing this domain, scroll down and go to the WordPress. Click on directly on this icon. It will redirect you on this page. Here you can manage all your website easily. So let's scroll down. So in this case, I want to remove this website sportyou.info because this domain is expired. So there have some of option if you want to backup of this domain. So go to the edit option here, click on edit and details, and here if we want to be a backup of this, it will be available here. Just click on it and select the custom and select a option backup rotation and select this option. So in this case, I just want to delete this without backup. So let's go back. And so we are back on our home page and just click to delete. There have a remove option, just click on it. So in this page, as you can see, remove WordPress 6.0 version. This website version is 6.0. So let's click to remove installation. It will take some time and properly remove to your cPanel. So this is the way how you can remove any expired or old website using cPanel. Thanks for watching.